How you doing, guys? I hope you're well. Lamb sandwich in a pressure cooker. Yes, lamb sandwich in a pressure cooker. Not the actual sandwich, just the lamb.
I highly recommend getting a pressure cooker because they're absolutely amazing.
Buy some beef, buy some pork, buy some lamb, get a pressure cooker and just see how fantastic they are.
Do you know what I've noticed? And to me it's f***ing crazy. Not many Americans like lamb. Like you can have me on this one, you can put my head in the pole. But you're all f***ing nuts.
Come on, Steve, that's a bit harsh.
It's got a kick. It's got a kick. It's a good kick.
Now that is super sorted.
What's my wife ordered? She orders everything. She never tells me what she's ordered. First thing in the morning, I go out, I open the door, there's the bloody boxes there. All for Amazon's there. Oh! Shut up, Frank! Probably some cat. So now, I'm gonna... I do fancy a lamb sandwich. But I'm gonna trim some of this fat off because we're gonna put it in the pressure cooker.
So trim this fat off. Just leave a little bit, you don't want all of it gone. Right, so quickly, add your meat in there. Half an onion. Order! Order! Half an onion. 1 onion.
Some mint. And you just wanna rub those oils, get all that flavour out, get that in. Garlic, press it. Or you can cut it in half. What shall I do? Press it, cut it in half. Oh.
Jeez Louise. Garlic in. The smell.
Cumin, how much? F knows. Get that in. Smoked paprika, just gives it a nice, obviously, smokiness. Olive oil. Some vinegar. A little bit, not too much. Pepper, no salt at this stage. Bloody gloves. And just mix them together. Unbelievable. Gonna roughly wrap it. And we're going to marinate it for at least 20 seconds because I'm hungry. Joking, am I joking? No, I'm starving. But I don't know, marinate this for 2 hours in the fridge. Right, so add everything. Right, lamb's in, and in about 45 minutes time it's going to be the best tender lamb you've ever seen in your life, and this is going to be the best sandwich ever in the whole world, universe, whatever. It's going to be amazing.
What an absolute wanker.
So while that's cooking, we're going to make some pesto, a quick pesto. So I'm going to grab my pestle and mortar, do a mint pesto. So I'm going to grab my mint leaves, get all that in, garlic. This is very simple. Pistachio nuts. I love pistachio nuts in pesto. Nice creaminess, bit of saltiness. Oops. Little touch of salt and pepper just to help it grind more easily. And then just grind it. Olive oil. A little bit of red wine vinegar. And give it a mix. I thought I had some Parmesan, but I haven't. So I've got this Italian 6 cheese blend.
Season. Give it a stir.
I've got some beautiful French bread. I just want to warm up in the oven. I'll take my lamb out. Look at that, it's just falling off the bone, falling.
So I've separated the meat from the bone. And I've got all this juicy, sweet garlic. I just need to get out of the skin, but look at that. Look at that, that's beautiful. That's what you want right there.
Right, for the best part. One of my favourite sandwiches of all time. I'd say in the top 5. Let's tuck in. What can I say? It's delicious. It's lamby. It's minty. It's everything you want in a lamb sandwich. And it's easy to make. And it's one of my go-to sandwiches if I want lamb or any sandwich. So give it a go. Thanks, guys.